Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn off outgoing messages sounds in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off outgoing messages sounds in Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And after opening your Viber app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a more button available for us with the three dotted icons at the bottom right corner. Tap on the more button at the bottom right corner of the screen with the three dotted icon, and you'll land on this interface where you can see the settings option available for us just above my notes. Tap on settings and you'll land on this interface. Again, you can see the notification sounds option available for us just below the privacy. Tap on notifications, and over here when you land on this interface, you can see the outgoing messages sounds at the bottom of the screen over here just above the use system sounds over here where I'm tapping. Now in order to turn off outgoing messages sounds in Viber app, make sure that the tick mark at the right side of that option where it says outgoing message sound is unticked and it will be turned off. By that way, guys, you will have turned off outgoing messages sounds in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.